Everyone is trying to figure out the best ways to build a list fast. There are many different quality levels of subscribers. Find out what the best quality leads are. 1. Submit as many articles as you can in a day. One of most targeted ways to build your list is to write articles. Write many each day. Writing one article a day is not the same as writing 7 per hour. The more you write, the more traffic you will get. Article writing is probably the best quality traffic you could get. It just takes time and practice. 2. Only send your traffic to a squeeze page. Never send your traffic to a sales page or an ordinary website. You will lose leads and money. Focus your entire marketing efforts on promoting your squeeze page. Market your products to your list only. But first get them on your list. Split test your squeeze pages to see which one is performing the best. You want to have a page that converts at least 30% of its visitors into subscribers. Make your headlines have a sales pitch feel to them. This will convert very well. 3. Double your list with joint ventures. Find someone in your particular niche who has a similar list size. You can easily add a massive amount of subscribers to your newsletter. The way this works is that you will promote one of their offers to your list in exchange for them promoting yours.